these guys are freaking out. I got a female in here holding in this group, and I'm going to pull her out and I'm going to show you how to strip her. Stripping basically means removing the eggs, and I'm going to put the eggs in a breeder box or a tumbler depending on how far along she is. Alright, so I had to take the big piece of wood out of there in order to get her. But there's the breeding box. I got her though. There she is. Right there. Alright, so here's the box. We're going to put her in here to strip her, to keep her safe and strip her. Depending on, well, let's just get them out first and we'll see where we're going to go. Alright. Here, girl. Alright. See him? Oh yeah, she's ready too. Being a little mischievous. Let's see here. Come on. Come on, let him out. This doesn't hurt her neither. Kind of pat her underneath her mouth there. Got some more. Come on, spit them out. Good girl. Come on, you got some more. It's okay, spit them out. They're ready to go. Come on. See if I don't do this. Let's say I leave her. There's a couple more. Let's say I leave her in the tank. She'll spit and then the other fish will just eat them. Man, they're all out. Alright, we'll put her back in. Here she is. Put her back in, girl. Yeah, she'll definitely be hungry after holding them. She will definitely be hungry. But yeah, if I didn't do that, I would just lose the babies anyway, because the rest of them would eat them. I don't think I have any other females in here that are holding. That one right there. I don't know. So, as you can see, there are the babies. And they're free swimmers. They're ready to go. I mean, she would have spit these out in the morning or within the next day or two. Looks like she may have spit some out recently because there's not that many. There's 5, 10. I don't know, 20 of them. But since they're free swimmers and ready to go, we won't be using this. Now, if it was just fertilized eggs, we'd use this, and this is called a tumbler. And we would put the eggs in here this way, and then this cap go on top of here. And this would go like that, and then this would go just down like that, and And you would stick this in your tank. Like so, you'd stick it inside the tank. Of course, with this turned around, the 90 turned around. Stick it on the inside of the tank like that. Hook that up to your air. What that would do, that would bounce your eggs inside here real slow, kind of like how the female bounces the eggs inside of her mouth. And that's about it. Let's get this hooked up and put it where it's gonna go. Oh, just so you know, this is a large Marina breeding box, and these things are awesome. I'll show you why I think they're so awesome. Alright, so this is why I like this breeder box. You hook it up to your pump, pumps air up, comes down, fills up the box, it goes across, and goes right down this chute. It's not filled up yet completely, but that is what we got going on. I'll keep you updated on these guys. There's some from a while back ago, a month or two. So ring that bell, subscribe, and check out the rest of my channel. I got a lot of good content going on, and we're growing. Later.